Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about a Sol USDT trading pair with my customer Seth. What's going on now? Let's dive in. Right, guys. Just a few dollars. We didn't hit the buy line on the weekly time frame. Just like that time was like 7%. So we stopped it at 95. A buy line till that time it was 87. So basically like $8 will not touch the buy line. To talk about the perfect retest. Of course, it's not all the time till penny we retest some levels, but yes, if you add limit order at the buy line, it was not a mistake, right? That's why if limit order not triggered, sometimes it's happened, and it's okay. So buy line now at this current moment, a little bit higher, 92, 96. Basically, I don't see any reason now why we have to dump to this level again. So I don't see the movement like this one. Is it possible? Yes, of course it's possible. Capitulation, crazy flash crash, COVID dump, another one, the Black Swan version, second one, or some capitulation in the market, some, I don't know, major economic collapse, this one. 25, 42. I don't believe even in 92. I don't believe even in this blocks now, right? So now the sentiment too bearish. Yes, let's be real, too bearish. And BTC dominance dump it a little bit, like 3%. Anyway, I guess the BTC dominance will bounce back. If the 65 was at the top, for example, for BTC dominance, and we dump it now to 62, let's say we drop to 60, after 60, we can bounce anyway to close this trade, right? So this zone, this order flow on the BTC dominance. In this case, yes, the alts can go into some correction, summer, or maybe autumn. It's hard to say about the timing, guys. We can't know with the timing. The people... Now talk about the bearish summer. So yes, this time it was a bearish one. So here, May 2021 dump. So here in August was also dump, right, till December. So here's a dump in autumn. So it's hard to say about the timing, guys. So nobody know the timing. We work with only with the price action. So what do we got here? So this is a summer. So April, May, from May, dump. But anyway, in June, we bounce it. In June, we bounce it like here, 55%. After that, dump in August. So guys, it's hard to say about the timing, right? If, yes, if we'll, once again, we'll see some drop, this can be the drop again to the levels, 145, 118. So this 2K levels. Now we try hold the line here, 0.5 level by fee, and reject at a take profit again. That's why, yes, if we will see the capitulation again, it can be this move and even the buy line. Where till that time will be the buy line, it's hard to say now. On a daily, I will show you more. Let's hide the, oh no, let's go to the daily here. Daily, we have to test the yearly open, the same story I explained to you on Ethereum. So the SOL just faster recover back to the yearly open. Yearly open on Ethereum, now it's around, I guess, 3K and 100 or so. So now the yearly open, it's exactly, take a look, the magic. Imagine this is an algorithm. So it's giving the more confidence of this FIB are correct because the yearly open is exactly the 61 level by FIB, which I draw since 2022, right? So, and now it's a yearly open, 61 level by FIB, take profit line on the daily. So a lot of data showing us we can see something like this one and going to retest this summer the buy line. And buy line can be around 118 that time in June. So yes, guys, it can be real. And if till that time the buy line will be here, for example, it can be a lower high. It will be the positive. I believe in new all-time high for SOL You know my take, you know. Will we go to new all-time high from this current prices or with retest this summer 111? It's hard to say. Yes, it's hard to say. Nobody knows the future. That's why new all-time high, but for me personally, it's still the same, like 373, 558, nothing more. So I don't wait there so over than 1,000 or something. No. Take a look at the ADZ direction now. Market mood. This was accumulation. What I share with you. Here's a middle line. So I'm not a fan of this type of middle lines. This was a capitulation. This was a good time March to accumulate SOL. If you invest in SOL, I'm skipping this one. Why I skipped the SOL? Because basically for me, from this current prices, it's not a good risk ratio gain. So it's basically I'm here not for 373% on the spot with a SOL or any other tokens, you know. So I'm not accumulated the Ethereum and I'm not accumulated the SOL. So I skipped these two tokens with this current prices. If we will see the drop to 42, maybe to 42.25, maybe I will buy the SOL. Now I'm skipping this one. So ADZ middle line direction here was a signal to sell. This nothing. Main signal to buy. SOL was here. Now nothing. This is a hope. Last time hope for SOL on the weekly, if we compare the charts, you know, was when the SOL traded in September, August last time at $17 price. So this is how the indicator looks like, market mood, how I identify the mood of and sentiment around the ticker. Trade on, guys. A sell, buyback was here at 129.24. Sorry. Daily. This is what I would like to show you here. Buy, we drop, of course, take profit at 164. Now we're gonna sell, and I wish to see now till end of May test of yearly open. After that, we can drop to the in June, for example, to test the monthly open of May 145, or we're gonna trade in this range 189, 145, or we drop it again to 111. By timing, I can say, or this is a 3 months summer, or this is a May, June, July, August, go to the moon in autumn. So this is it, guys. Now this was a signal to sell, and last indicator, guys, it's money power. Money power on the daily here is a buy. Money inflow, I mean, RSI bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence. So there was a lot of reasons, you know, why it was okay zone to buy the SOL, even for the speculation. Now we get a signals to fixation profit on the daily. So 12 time frame, I guess, especially. So take a look. We're now trading tiny range between the weekly open and daily opens here. Yes, money inflow, money outflow, money outflow. I guess we're gonna see the one more bounce, money outflow, and basically it can be by end of May, sell in May and go away even. And weekly, let me show you the weekly. Money power. Here, this is money inflow, this is money outflow. Last time the money outflow was here in November. Now we trade just over the middle line. So if from this current prices we go to the new all-time high, new money outflow, we will see here. Pretty simple, guys. If we will see drop this summer, new money inflow, I guess we will see here. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment. What do you think about current situation with the SOL? And by the way, I think the SOL will perform pretty good one, and the first catalyst will be once again the meme coin sectors. If you'd like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.